Hello YouTube, this is Airsoft Brothers 2 here, coming with you an unboxing of an airsoftgi order I recently placed. It's nothing big, but let's get into it. So here we go. Take out this packing paper. And I ordered 30,000.2 gram P-Force BBs. I got them for only like $4 some a bag, which is pretty good for 1,000 BBs a bag. So I ordered 6 of them. That was the max you can order during their Black Friday deals. And it came out to $28 for shipping. It came out to like 40 some. But still, I saved a total of $66 by ordering them off of Black Friday day when they had their sales. See a little close up of the bag here. P-Force 0.2 gram high precision. I heard some good reviews about these, and for $4 a bag, you just really can't beat it at that price. There it is. They are in black. I might put up a review about them, how they shoot, if they jam easy, so on and so forth. Have a nice day, guys. Please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace.